Hello, this is Prepper21. Today I bring you permaculture principle number 3, obtain a yield. To do so, I introduce 9 fruits and vegetables to grow. This is my website, tonytiolis.com, where I present how to grow a food forest, more about AI and ethics, and trends we live in today. This is my YouTube video channel, Prepper21. This is where I put a lot of good information regarding prepper videos, in particular gardening and beekeeping. My disclaimer is what I present is what's worked for me. It might not work for you, so before you do, read carefully and check with your utility services. Of the 12 principles today, I'm going to focus on number 3, obtain a yield, and you'll see a picture with my goofy smile picking peaches in this summer 2020. The man who started permaculture principles as respect to living with nature and getting the most out of it is Bill Mollison, a radical for his time and ours. Before obtain a yield, my backyard used to have water run off without any production. Flat and disappointing and muddy. After obtain a yield, the backyard has become a mini food forest with bushes and trees and veggies of all kinds. Fruit in particular. Number 1 of the plants I want to introduce are peaches. With peaches, equal effort should equal the reward. You have to be careful with peaches, but if you are, they will produce for you very well. Number 2 would be raspberries. For me, the way to pick the best tasting raspberries is to grow my own. It's a lot easier than you think. Number 3 would be getting a yield with greens. Greens can be started as seeds and transplanted to the ground, grown as microgreens, and indoor with cracky hydroponics. Obtain a yield with the 4th plant I recommend is tomatoes. To do so, lay tomatoes down long ways in a trench on top of crushed eggshells. Number 5 would be make sure you get a yield with veggies by growing a good variety of them. First, grow what you like to eat. Diversity produces food for the table. Number 6 is Asian pear. Make sure you plant your trees away from taller trees and have squirrels, if they try, to run to it. They don't like to run. Number 7, obtain a yield with grapes. Where rainwater used to run away, we now have regular grape production. Number 8, obtain a yield with cucumbers. It's taken a bit of time, but now we have systems in place to produce cucumbers and learn new ways to consume them. Number 9, obtain a yield with strawberries. It's taken a while, but with strawberries as well, you learn to plant and replant over time for lots of production. And I really recommend to, obtain a yield each season. Spring, summer, fall, winter, it's all possible if you try one system at a time. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please share them in comments or write to me directly. And these are several links that you'll find in a PDF on my website. And who am I? I'm Tony Tiolis. I've been growing for over a decade now. It's 2020, and I'm here to help you learn, and I want to learn from you as well. Thanks for watching, and good luck. Get prepared.